Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia. And for you guys that don't follow me for Diecast and you're only watching this because of the action figure of Pennywise, my main hobby and collect is Diecast cars. This is a small portion of what I collect, mostly Mopars and old drag racing cars. But the reason I brought you over here today, because Pennywise is going in a very unique spot. Usually I only unbox these guys here, the Predators from Neca, still adding some more to the collection. But I found Pennywise, and I'm going to put him up here next to Stephen King's other little monster, Christine. In 1/18 scale, Pennywise is a little bit big, but I think he'll look good setting up here next to Christine. So that's why we are over here. So this is your Neca Toony Terrors Pennywise, and I've been wanting this since I seen it about 3 months ago at my Walmart. But when they got it, it was crushed. The whole blister was crushed and the arm was broken off of him, so I couldn't get him. And finally, today when I went to Walmart, they had one in a mint package. So, anyways, we're going to rip him open and put him up there by Christine. So, they are not very durable. As I said, the one was broken where something fell on the blister and crushed the blister. So they must be a pretty hard plastic. I don't know. We'll get him out and compare him to the plastic they use on the Predators. So the Toony Terrors, they also give you a dio cutout of some bookshelf, but it looks very fake. How I could say, it does look like cartoonish, but they're going for that look, so I guess that's why. So this is bring the fun of Saturday morning cartoons to your horror collection with these adorable little creeps. Pick your favorites or collect them all and make every day Toony Terror time. So that's pretty much it on the back. So we're going to go ahead and break this blister loose. And this guy is about half the price of what you pay for the more elite premium characters from Neca, and they are about 15 bucks, because I know the Predators and stuff like that are about $30 to $35 depending on which one you get. He looks pretty cool. And it's actually nice detail on the face and stuff. It's not really so cartoonish as it is more accurate. I know some of the other guys, they can be a little bit more cartoonish, like the Scream Ghostface. I was seeing him today, and it was a little bit... Sorry guys, I had to get a pair of scissors. It was a little bit more of like a cartoonish looking character. The body was really weird looking and stuff like that. But looking at some of the other ones, like for example, the Halloween Michael Myers, it doesn't look too bad. They have two versions of him I've seen. So yeah, the arms do move, but this is some very hard plastic that is not like the Predator premium line at all. This is very dense, like almost feels like a heavy ceramic or something. The body does. It may actually be, I don't know, but the arms are fully posable and such. And then I'll stand him here on the roof of Mr. Norm's Dodge dealership. And they do give you the balloon. They could have used a little bit brighter red. This is more of like an orange. And the one in the movie was more like a bright Porsche or fire engine red, something like that. So that's like what I would say would be our comment. So I guess you could put that in his hand and wrap it around so it looks like the balloon is floating. Bring it back down here and show you, which would be pretty cool. But I don't know. Right now, we'll take a break on that and not mess with it so much. And then I will bring him back up here and put him where I wanted to. Right in here with Christine. And that looks pretty cool. He's a little bit too big, but I wish they had something a little bit smaller. I don't know of anything, so I just wanted to get him, put him up there next to Christine, because it's both Stephen King's hits, and this looks kind of cool together. So anyways, that's it for our Pennywise unboxing from Neca. And for the Diecast guys, I'll be back again, actually on Friday, which I'm recording today, to do an unboxing of a Diecast vehicle for you. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, guys.